Imagine looking at old family photos and noticing something striking. Your grandparents, at your age, were probably shorter than you are now. It's not just your family. Globally, people are significantly taller today than previous generations. For instance, in the Netherlands, the average male height jumped by 18 centimeters in just 160 years. But if your DNA is inherited from your grandparents, carrying the blueprints for your growth, how can you be so much taller? Everything is a system. The incredible increase in human height over generations isn't just a random occurrence. It's a perfect example of how complex biological systems, influenced by external factors, can adapt and change. For grade 10 students, understanding this system helps us see beyond simple genetics. To understand this, let's talk to Dr. Aini Sharma, a leading developmental biologist. Dr. Sharma explains, while genetics accounts for about 80% of height variation within a population, your DNA isn't the whole story. Height is a polygenic trait, meaning hundreds of genes contribute, and how those genes are expressed can be significantly influenced by your environment. Think of it like this. Your genes provide the potential for height, but environmental factors, especially nutrition, act as the on or off switch for many of those growth-related genes. Better nutrition quality, for example, can lead to higher gene expression levels, which then stimulates more growth hormone release, ultimately impacting your bone growth rate and final height. Our model for height includes 5 key components. First, nutrition quality is an external input representing the essential nutrients available for growth. Internally, we have gene expression level, which is how much your height genes are activated. Next, growth hormone release is the amount of hormone your body produces for growth. These lead to your bone growth rate, the speed at which your bones lengthen. And finally, your final height, the ultimate outcome of this complex system. Let's trace how these components interact. First, we see a positive relationship from nutrition quality to gene expression level. This means better nutrition, rich in proteins and vitamins, provides the signals needed to turn on your height-related genes. Next, there's a positive relationship from gene expression level to growth hormone release. When growth genes are active, they signal your pituitary gland to produce more growth hormone. Finally, a positive relationship connects growth hormone release to bone growth rate. More growth hormone directly stimulates the cells in your growth plates to produce new bone, leading to longer bones and ultimately greater height. This chain of positive relationships shows how environmental improvements can dramatically influence genetic potential. Build your "Why are you taller than your grandparents" model. What if nutrition quality improves significantly over generations, like it has in many countries? Or what if there was a period of severe nutritional scarcity? How would that impact average height? Simulate these scenarios to see the system in action. Understanding growth systems can lead to fascinating careers. Nutritional scientists study how food components affect gene expression, growth, and health, earning between $55,000 and $110,000 per year. Or you could become an endocrinologist, specializing in growth hormones and developmental biology, with a salary ranging from $200,000 to $350,000 annually as a medical specialist. Everything is a system. Model it, build it, simulate it, understand it. Visit ModelItK12.com.